EcoReach is one of the groups in CCMAR that can profit from this new imaging tool. They work with ecology and restoration of riverine, estuarine, and coastal habitats. On the ecology side of the project, they have been collecting data on the Guadiana River since 1997 with a few interruptions, and Rio Formosa since 2018. This kind of long-term data collection is indispensable to observe shifts in planktonic communities due to climate change or invasive species like the jellyfish Blackfordia virginica. The data acquisition is done once per month in 3 different locations, 2 on the Guadiana River and 1 in Rio Formosa. Next to the environmental parameters like temperature and salinity, zooplankton samples are collected and analyzed for their composition and abundance in the laboratory. One of the major constraints of the project is the time it takes to analyze the collected zooplankton samples. This is where ZooSCAN comes in.
The ZooSCAN is a high-resolution scanner used to automatize the screening of zooplankton samples ranging from 150 micrometers up to 5 centimeters. Liquid seawater or fresh water is poured into the scanning chamber, and then the sample just gets scanned as a normal scanner.
So ZooSCAN will help me to eliminate some of the manual labor involving counting or measuring the zooplanktonic organisms. This can really help us with one of the biggest constraints with this work, that is lack of time. The flexibility it offers for not having to do the identification using a microscope, but in front of my computer at home, for instance, it will be really beneficial.
Once the first sample is scanned, you can move to the next one. This allows many samples to be analyzed in a short period of time. You get detailed images from the scans thanks to the high resolution of 2400 dpi. Image analysis is done through ImageJ, where the software separates pictures from individual organisms automatically. These pictures can also be uploaded in EcoTaxa website for taxonomical analysis. Do you have a sample in mind to try, like fish larvae, small crustaceans? Just get in touch to CCMAR imaging platform, and we are here happy to help.